今回の動画は YSP 青森店から奥入瀬渓流を通って十和田神社まで行く動画となっております。
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. The best thing that I'll ever know.
I was caught in the middle. Never noticed how much I look like you. I was making all riddles, how I always wanted to look like you. But I do, I look like you. Oh, I do, I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I tried just to make it all look better. Now I do, 'cause I look like you. I look like you. I look like you. I was used to being little. When I grew up, everyone was always bigger. Then I learned I'm not a quitter. Will you show me I am taller than I look? I guess I look like you. Oh, I do. I look like you.
そこか。そこから
For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find just to make it all look better, now I do, 'cause I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find just to make it all look better, now I do, 'cause I look like you. I look like you. I look
これから石毛戸休憩所を出て、石毛戸の瀬、千筋の滝、雲井の滝、白糸の滝、銚子大滝の順で巡っていきます。これか。石で出てる。うわぁ、めっちゃええな。やば。あ、この辺に止めたらよかったよな。うわ、めっちゃ綺麗。 これ綺麗。うわすごいな。水が多いから綺麗。うわこれはすごいな。うわ綺麗な。すごい。一旦この裏、うわすげえ。うわすごい。うわ綺麗な。うわすごい綺麗。うわめっちゃ綺麗な。何これやば。
大滝最大のうわめちゃくちゃすごいな、水量がえげつないわ。
When your love is shining, it's a supernova, like starlight and diamonds. You're my supernova, drawn like a magnet toward you, and my heart beats red for your eyes blue. We intertwine through starry nights unending. I know sooner or later it will come, the day that I know I'm in love. Will it feel warm and dry, like a kiss in July? Will it chill down my bones when I'm cold like the snow? And I look at my window to see what the universe has in store for me. People passing by in the street, smiling at me, 'cause we already know what is alive and in love. The sky starts to roll up its clouds, so the sun can't just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sound like birds that are spreading the wings. So every night I stare at the moon, just to check if she's still looking blue. I know who you are yet, you seem a bit hard to get, but I know you're out there. I just wait for the day where the sky will spread open its clouds, so the sun can just stop hiding out. The windows will open and sound like birds that are spreading the wings. first drift, like a song that is playing just for me. You know and we'll smile as if we knew. All this time I was waiting for you.
Didn't think it'd go this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoe.